Hi guys, how are you doing? Good? Hope you guys are all okay on this blessed day. So today in my kitchen I'm gonna be making some hominy porridge. Okay, I kind of grew up on this thing. My mother always make it for us, even though it used to take a year and a day to make. Oh boy! But this corn that I'm using, it's much easier to cook than the one my mommy used to use. So these are my ingredients. I have some sweetened milk, some evap milk, coconut milk. I also have some whole milk, some vanilla, and almond essence together in this, and nutmeg, and mixed spice and cinnamon, of course. All my spices there, and I also have some sugar and salt. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my onion in my pressure cooker, because you know you have to pressure this. Okay, it will take forever to cook. I don't have the time for that anyway today. And what I'm going to be doing also, I'm going to add some salt to it, because you want to infuse the salt to get that taste, and sugar, because if you don't do it like that, guys, honestly, when you finish cooking the porridge, you really only kind of flavor or sweeten the water, not the corn. You will taste the corn kind of just, for me, and I think will not have that kind of flavor in it if you don't do it like this. Well, for me, that's how I do it. That's how I see my mommies do it. Had some sugar in the corn and some salt when it's going to cook, you know, to give it that flavor and taste. So when you sweeten it at the end, you get all of that flavor infused together. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you back when this is pressure. Okay guys, thank you. So guys, this is it at the 30 minutes mark. Okay, just going to test it and see where we at. You need a little cooking, not much. It's cooking though. See that? It's cooking. And guys, if you're cooking yours in a pressure cooker and you see it's coming over, because it tends to do that too, turn your stove down a little to stop the frothing from coming over. Okay, I'm gonna put back. Hi guys, so it should be done by now. Look at it. Okay. Just using my bullet today. So guys, I'm using some quick oats along with some all-purpose flour. Okay. Put in one all-purpose flour as well. This is 1 spoon. 2 spoon. 3 spoon of all-purpose flour. Okay guys. And now for the liquid, I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. And you guys, you can use the grated coconut. You can use the pack one or the tin one, depending on what you have. I mean, personally, I like, and this is some whole milk, guys. Okay, I personally like the grated coconut, but sometimes you don't have any, and sometimes it's easier to just, you know, go ahead and use the instant ones, the ready-made ones. Okay, Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this, guys. I'm gonna blend it. There's a plug here, but it's not working, guys. So I have to use the one over here. So I'm gonna be off camera. Yes, guys, it's finished blending. Like I said, there's a plug here. You see it, guys? Right there. But it's not working as it's have to use the one over the other side. Okay? So I'm just going to turn my stove down a little. I'm going to put in a little at a time and start. I also have some warm water here, so if it gets thick, then you just add some water on it. So that's what the flour and the oats will do. It will get thick, guys. All right. I don't know if you like yours thick or a little thin. I like it in between that. Okay? So I'm going to be using my rest of my coconut milk. And this is grated coconut, guys. It was in the fridge, in the freezer, so I defrost it. Alright? Stir and stir, you know, so it doesn't get lumpy. You see what I want? Alright, that's what I want. Okay, I like mine very creamy, guys. Okay, and like I said, if you have cinnamon stick, you can go put it in there when you're cooking it. In the first part, I didn't have any, so I used cinnamon powder. I'm just gonna let this cook a little, and then I come back and sweeten. All right. Just gonna let it cook a little. Cook the coconut and the flour and the oats. Another 5 minutes or so, then I'll sweeten. Okay guys, I'm back to see my porridge bubbling along, and it's been okay, and I'm gonna go right ahead and sweeten my vanilla and almond together, my spices together, my nutmeg, my mixed spice, and cinnamon. And I'm going to add my evap milk. Guys, I put it in a container once I open it, okay? This as well. I like mine very creamy, guys. In case you want to know, I used to be honest, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, because I love vanilla. So I used 2 of that, and I used a half teaspoon of the mixed spice, and also a 1/2 teaspoon of the cinnamon powder together. That's what I use. And I also use a cup and a half of Amini corn. I didn't want to make a whole lot. So I use this and a half of it. Alright. I'll stir in some more and then I'll taste it to see if it wants any more sugar or salt, because remember I cook it in the first part, you know, to get the flavor in the corn, and trust me, it works. So you should try it like that, guys. So I'm now gonna taste it. This is how I taste. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little more salt to it. Just add a little more salt to it. Works every time, guys. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and that's it. No more sweetening. No more sweetener in it. That should be perfect. Okay. Yummy that is looking, guys. Creamy and nice. Okay, this is all done. All done. Okay. There it is, guys. All done. Ready to be consumed. Nice. I'm telling you guys, this flavor is absolutely nice. This coconut milk. Ooh. That's the way I like it, guys. Not too thick, not too thin. I'm gonna give this a taste. It's very nice. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like. Please like. Certainly will help when you like the videos. Share to your friend, to someone. Okay? And comment. Let me know. Thank you very much. Remember to turn your post notification on so you will be notified each time I do upload a video. Please. Thanks. Bye.